Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a common scenario with a Chevy Cruz. Our customer brought it in with a few concerns, including an oil leak from the valve cover gasket seeping into the spark plug wells and a misfire on injector number 4. We explained the situation, but unfortunately, the budget only allowed for one repair at a time. We prioritized the injector issue, getting that misfire sorted so the car could run smoothly again. The valve cover gasket leak was addressed by thoroughly cleaning the oil from the affected areas, ensuring the car was safe and running well for now. It's all about finding the best solution within your means, and we're here to help you navigate those choices. Thanks for watching.